Today I'm going to take you to see what may be one of the most unique homes I've ever viewed. I'm Cheryl Cook, I love homes, and I'm a realtor with RE/MAX Nova here in Nova Scotia, and today we're going to go look at a church conversion. This is the former West Jeddore United Baptist Church, which was renovated around 2011 into a private residence. Now, as you come through the front doors, there's a wonderful surprise here. If you go up the tiny, twisty staircase to the left, you will come up into the steeple area. The original renovators of this home went through several plans before they decided on one that they felt really maintained the character of the space and especially the windows. And you'll see what I mean when you step out onto the steeple balcony and have a look at the main space with these stunning windows preserved. Let's go back downstairs and actually head in there. So you come down into the foyer through the doors and into this wonderful, big open space. Now you're probably going to hear me say stunning, beautiful, wonderful several times over during this video, but honestly, this is a beautiful renovation that really worked to hold the character of the building while providing a modern living space. The kitchen is absolutely huge with so much storage, and the living area has a cozy pellet fireplace, and there are fans in the upper area to push the hot air down and keep those heating costs down. Look at the wonderful features. Now, as we head to the back of the home, there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms back here. Off to the right is the exit out to the yard, and then you come into the primary suite. Wonderful space with beautiful high ceilings. Look at those wood ceilings, beautiful windows, brickwork. You've got lots of closet here, and then we go into the primary ensuite that has a vanity that seems to go on for about a week, a walk-in shower, and of course the WC tucked over in the corner here. And even this bathroom has its own beautiful church window. Heading back out into the corridor, we see some storage there, and as you turn to the right, you see the main bath that's been renovated. I love the touches in here, this beautiful wallpaper, the candlestick lights that evoke the church's history. This also has a tiled walk-in shower as well. Come back out in the hallway, look at that. Harry Potter fans, what's that? It's actually the utility space. And then we go into the second bedroom, which I absolutely adore for its simplicity and elegance. Beautiful high ceilings, brickwork, big windows, all of the historic features. Then you head back out here and head up the stairs. I love the touches they have here, like the deck lights that light the stairs and the hallways here. And you come up into a large open space that looks out over the main area. So there's another look at this for you. This open space could be used as a great living area or also a workspace. And as you turn around, you see the third bedroom, beautifully designed. I've often seen church conversions where practicality and economy have to overtake preservation, but not this one. There's even a wonderful church pew here from the original church to go with the next owner. A beautiful historic building made modern, and it even has a wired shed. And when you walk out the front door, this view of Jeddore Harbor. This is listed at $724,900 by Nick Ogden at Press Realty. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with buying a home in Nova Scotia, get in touch anytime. I'm always happy to chat.